Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. So, Xfinity internet is offline, and this is due to an very big outage that is being going on right now. The is being fixed as of right now. And here is the thing, guys. Today in this video, we have got the latest update regarding the Xfinity internet connectivity. In fact, let me show you the latest update right over here onto the Twitter just 1 minute ago. Xfinity lost internet right before another meeting. Check this out. Internet outage detected, and these internet outages going on in tons and tons of locations. Do let me know, is that the same case with you? Xfinity, they always got an outage and pay for high speed that is slow internet. And if you check it out onto the down detector, and here you can see, guys, Xfinity is having some issues as of right now. Right now, check this out: 2283 outage reports, which is quite a lot in my opinion. Now, do let me know, are you facing the same kind of outage? And in fact, let me show you the outage map. Xfinity is down in tons and tons of locations right here into the United States. So do let me know, guys, what kind of a issue are you facing? The same issue? In fact, right over here onto the Twitter, let me show you. In fact, let me show you onto the Twitter, tons and tons of people are facing the outage, which is a pretty common issue as of right now we are doing this video. So let me show you the latest update from Xfinity and right here from the Xfinity support as well. Alright, guys, so let's check it out, the Xfinity Twitter official page. Do we got any update? Let's check it out. Alright, so the latest update as of 9th of the October. Well, nothing related to outage situation, some other thing going on. Alright, now going over to the Xfinity support, hopefully we should get any information right over there, any outage detection or any latest update. Alright, so right over here, the old tweet, September 29, September 1st, then September 1st. So you see, these are pretty old tweets right over here, nothing new right over here, no latest update regarding the outage situation. So guys, as of right now, here you see tons and tons of people are facing the problem right over here, and honestly, tons and tons of people are rushing over to the customer care, and you see current place in line 124. So you get the point. Tons and tons of people are facing the outage, and they are contacting with the customer support, and chances are you might be in a very long queue, and Xfinity is not working, at least for tons and tons of people. I get the point, it's a really serious issue, but check this out. Xfinity support is replying to the user, thank you for bringing this issue to our attention. We empathize with your situation. We would like to assist you. Please shoot us a DM for further assistance. So they are individually helping out the users. Basically, all they are trying to do is contact us and we'll help you. Now, guys, do let me know if you got any idea, because I have tried finding out, but here is the thing: many people are facing the outage from like 3 to 4 hours ago actually, and it's go nine. And right now, as of right now, I'm doing this video, this error is like blowing up. Basically, Xfinity is facing a major outage as of right now. Now, once I get any latest update, guys, I will keep you posted. Well, make sure to that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you next video.